Hello there, and welcome back to the Signpost Messaging Hub. In this video, we'll be discussing the call feedback feature for your live receptionist team. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you are in the main Messaging Hub page under Inbox. Once you're under Inbox, you will see all of your contacts and interactions. For the call feedback feature, we want to make sure that the most recent icon next to your contact name is a headset. The headset identifies as a call that has come through to our live receptionist team. So for Olivia Carter, we would click on their profile and it would take you to the most recent call notes for the interaction with our live receptionist team. Now, in another account or in your account, there would be a call recording box beneath this call scenario message and information box. Make sure you listen to the call before you submit feedback to ensure that you are giving us the proper notes. So, if you want to leave feedback on a call, you would see at the very bottom of the most recent interaction box, how would you rate this call? You have the option for either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you click on the thumbs up, it will prompt you to tell us more. What went well? Did you like the tone of the receptionist? Did the receptionist answer any questions to the way that you like? Or were there any other details that you think that our team excelled at? Please share any and all thoughts as it gives us feedback and allows us to celebrate our team. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click Submit Feedback. If you don't want to leave any comments and just leave a thumbs up, you can always skip this. Now, for the thumbs down, it will ask you to recognize which areas of the call you did not think were up to par. So, did not follow the script or instructions, the scheduling was done incorrectly, or just the general demeanor. On top of that, you can submit additional suggestions for improvement, whether that be tone, conflict resolution, anything that comes to mind. Please feel free to give us your in-depth thoughts as we are able to take that to our training team and use that as a tool for our receptionists moving forward. Once you're done, submit feedback and you're good to go. You can do this for any call that you would like. Any call that has come in, you can thumbs up or thumbs down it. Any and all feedback is appreciated, so that way we are able to better serve your business. Thank you so much for your time and hope to see you soon.